Welcome Food Prude. Here is today's kitchen counter talk. So yesterday I taught a sourdough workshop and we created a lot of fun stuff. So I had to run out of extra storage. So I put them in bags. So we've got our sandwich loaf. We've got our delicious honey butter rolls in here. I'm currently making some cheddar cheese. It's just coagulating. Yum yums. Always got to have the clean dishes and the dirty dishes out. Trying to finish a cup of coffee. We'll see if that happens. We've got some sprouts on day number 2 sitting here. And then we've got my sourdough starter that I fed this morning that's getting nice and bubbly. And we are making yogurt in it's a Dr. 𝗞𝗶𝘁𝗰𝗵𝗲 yogurt maker. That's what I like to use. It works out really good. And we are also letting some butter chill so that I can go ahead and form it and then put it in the freezer. I found some soup that I'm going to make the husband eat. It was in the freezer, so I'm thawing it, and that's what he can have for lunch. I'm also having a little breakfast where I made with the bagels that we made yesterday. Here's some of the bagels. And then some cream cheese and some ham from our own pigs that we raised last year. So that's what we got going on in Food Prude's kitchen counter talks. And that's my dog barking in the background. Say hi, Chip.